Hey, it's tacgearguy. I'm going to take a quick look at a real cool little flashlight. This is the 4SEVENS Quark MiNi 123. It's the package that it came in. Real nice packaging. It's a real cool little light. The length is 2.3 inches, which is real small. The diameter is 0.8, and the weight is 0.62 ounces. It's powered by one CR123A battery. It's 4SEVENS brand. It's pretty cool they actually include this in the packaging. You know, a lot of the higher end flashlight companies don't. It's got some real nice, checkering or knurling on there. It's got a little hole here for a split ring, which comes in the package. I'll show you that later. If anyone's familiar with the 4SEVENS Preon series with the twisty head, this works the same way. You just twist for on and it comes on in low. So I'll turn the light off. We'll take a look at the modes and the brightnesses. So you twist once for low, you go back, and then again for medium, and then high. So low mode is 3 lumens for 150 hours. It's pretty significant. And you have medium, which is 40 lumens for 8 hours, and high, which is 189 lumens for 1.2 hours. Now if you run through both of these real quick, you would go low, medium, high, low, medium, high. You would go into hidden modes. So you have strobe there, which is 2.4 hours. And again, you would go into SOS, which is 7.2 hours. That's a pretty cool feature. And then you have a beacon high. That's 12 hours. And a beacon low, which is 60 hours. Now initially it flashes 5 times, and then it'll flash once every 10 seconds. So let's see. It's definitely cool. It's a real cool feature. This one is the this is the R5 emitter. I don't know if you can really see it in there. They've come out with one with the XML emitter, and the brightness is significantly more. It's over, I believe it's over 200 lumens. It's real nice. It's a nice little flashlight. I actually a lot of times I'll throw it in one of my cargo pockets, my BDUs and my cargo pants, and not even notice it's there, which is cool. And it definitely, I mean, for its size, on high, it packs a lot of punch. I'll usually still carry, my zebra light or, something else, but I'll throw this in there as a backup. It's a great little light. Now with the light and the packaging, got a real nice lanyard. It's got a good clip on there. A little split ring that you could, run through the little hole on there. You can adjust it. It's got the little cord locks. And it also comes with a spare O-ring. Now, on 4SEVENS site, you can pick this one up. It's the R5 edition. You can pick it up for $39 shipped. I picked this one up from Survival Packs. for $37 shipped. I'll throw a link below in the description. Also, you should check out Survival Packs. Has a real good YouTube channel. They do a bunch of WROL scenarios and stuff, so I'll throw a link for that down there as well. But for $37 shipped, I thought it was kind of a no-brainer. Real good little light. I mean, perfect EDC light, or a backup light if you're gonna have something bigger. Just toss this in your pocket and forget about it until you need it. Well, this is tacgearguy. Thanks for watching.